Hi guys, how are you guys doing? So today is Saturday. I'm going to Uhuru Gardens to pick my Standard Chartered Marathon kit. So the t-shirt, the bib, and I think that's all. So yeah, I'm going to get it today. I think today is the last day. So I know I'll get bigger sizes. I just know those t-shirts. I think I could have gone on Wednesday, but I was so busy during the week. So yeah, I'm going there today to pick my kit, and then tomorrow I'll see you at the marathon. Bye. Hey guys, so I got back and I got my marathon kit. So let me show you what's inside. I think there's Downy here because I've seen people unboxing. They were saying that. So this is the bib, then the t-shirt. The t-shirt. Funny, I chose medium. Okay, I chose small. Let's see what's inside and if it fits me. Because most of the time, the t-shirts are always bigger. But I like the design. It's really nice. Oh, this time wamejaribu, but it's not that big. I know when I wear it, it will be. I like when I'm wearing a tight or shorts and it's covering my bum bum. I don't know why, but yeah. Then inside here there's some. I think these are promotional or advertising. The advertising things, merchandise. So there's this one from Reload. These are electrolytes. You can get them from Healthy You or any of those places. Then there's a package from Downy. Better Together. So it's like a small Ariel and small Downy. Yep. So that's it. I'm hoping to see you on Sunday when we get to be track buddies. Anyway guys, I'll catch up with you later. I want to rush out again and go and buy fish. I'm really craving fish, and there's only one lady I buy fish from, though it's a distance, and it's kind of, it looks like it wants to rain. I don't know. Ni kama mvua imerudi by the way. So I want to quickly rush there, and then I get dinner, and yeah, see you tomorrow. Bye. Morning guys, I'm going to the Standard Chartered Marathon, and I thought of just starting this vlog here. So I just woke up, showered. My hair is stressing me out. I don't know what to do with it. I wanted to braid after the marathon because I know I'll sweat a lot. So yeah, I think I'll just do my tutas for now. I'm going to take a boda because I know most roads are now closed, and the easiest way to get to Uhuru Gardens is through a motorbike. So I'm just going to order one. I'm just putting on my socks and then I head out. I also got this waist bag. I'm going to carry everything here, so just adjust it and you're good to go. Let me show you my full outfit. So this is what I'm wearing. I'm wearing these tights. I haven't worn my sneakers yet, but yeah, I think I'm pretty much guy. Sijalala vizuri by the way. Hey guys, so it's a week after the marathon. I'm telling you guys, my skin has really been acting up. I really need to be serious and go for a facial or see a dermatologist. I haven't been really following any procedures, but I think also what affected is during the marathon the sun was up earlier, although we started at 6 Apple, but the sun was up by the time I was finishing. The sun was up, so the sun was out, not the sun was up. What am I saying? By the time I was finishing up, yani the sun was there, yani ilinigonga tu hivi, so I was just peeling here on my face, so I even braided my hair the next day, so it's kind of like a week after. And yeah, so, and guys, another thing, it's so hard for me to vlog at the same time running. That's something that I've really been struggling with, but it's not easy. I'm telling you guys, I almost fainted, and at some point I just started walking back. At around when I was almost done, I started walking back. So yeah, all that to say that I don't know if I'll do any kind of, right now I need a recovery, full body checkup from upper to my toes. So now here we'll start with my face. We start with the facial, and then from here I just do a full body massage. Yani ni kando, ile kukandwa kama an athletic. I need that kind of treatment. Like I need that, not the regular massage that you have, the deep tissue massages. I need a serious physiotherapist because my body is having it rough. I tried some recovery kind of body recovery exercises, but it's not working out for me. Bado naumwa. The last 2 days nilifura mguu. Monday my legs are very swollen, and at the same time my toes. There's so many things too that happen, but my body was on fire for the last 2 days, at least this week. But last week, I was really having it rough. But yeah, I'm glad I did this, and see you next year. Today actually I'm going to see a friend. We have like a friend date with my friend Vio. I haven't seen her in a while, almost a year plus. Imagine. The thing with being adults, you schedule things, you reschedule, like vitu tu haziendanangi, haziingiani. So yeah, today finally we're meeting. Yeah, so I'll go there around 4. We're going to this cute place in Lavington called Kalamata. I've been seeing it online. I've been seeing it mostly on Instagram. It's a nice place, by the way. But yeah, we're going for a happy hour, chit chats, clicks. But yeah, we're just going to catch up, and hopefully everything will be okay, because it looks like again it's my rain. During the marathon it was very sunny, and then the next 2 days it started raining again. Now I want to go out and have fun. It wants to rain. I don't know what's with rain in the every time it's in the weekend, now it wants to rain. I don't know why it does that all the time. Like weekdays kuna jua, kuna kale kajua kana kuchapa, lakini ikifika weekend or anytime I want to step out, now it wants to rain. But yeah, anyway, I'll still go. Come rain, come sunshine, me, I'm going. I'm not staying in this house this weekend. So yeah, what else do I want to update you guys? Tomorrow I don't know what I'll do, but yeah, I'm thinking of baking. I kind of rearranged my kitchen, so now my oven is like in a better space. Initially when I came to this house, I was complaining that the kitchen is small, but after rearranging now, I'm saying like it's much better. So yeah, I had a friend help me the other day, and yeah, all that went well. Actually right now I just want to chill. I'm watching there's this series on Netflix called Nobody Wants This. Actually, that's what I'm following up. I want to kind of see it. That's all for now, and see you when I go out.
Hey.
Having fun?
Henry and I were bonding. I think I said something that maybe landed with him.
Great. Well, if you keep letting him talk about himself, you'll become his favorite person. Hey, can you go get to know Morgan's boyfriend.
Hey guys, happy Sunday. So today I want to bake. I haven't baked anything in years because my oven was in the wrong position in my kitchen. So I managed to sort it out, and right now I want to bake up. I wanted to have some lemon, and yeah, it will be a lemon cake. I'm not really sure, but I want to bake a lemon cake. So these are some of the ingredients. Unfortunately, the milk is still very cold, so I want to leave it at room temperature. But I'm so excited. Imagine this is the first time I'm baking in this house since I moved here 2 years ago. I think almost a year plus. I've never baked anything, so yeah, that's what I'm going to do today. So with me I have milk, sugar, eggs, 2 eggs, the mixer, and then margarine and all-purpose flour. I'll take 2 cups, and just like a pinch salt, and sorry, not salt, just a pinch of bicarbonate soda or baking soda. So those are the things that I'll be using, ingredients necessarily. I don't know, I don't like when I'm cracking eggs and I touch it. Or 3, I think 3. I'm not even following any recipe. I'm just doing things freestyle. I don't even know where my measuring cups are. You guys, if you've been long enough in this channel, you know that I loved baking back then. So this is so exciting once again. Alright, so I'm about to bake this for at least 40 to 45 minutes. Yep. Oh, it's already hot. I think our cake is ready. Oh my gosh. Oh no. Imeiva kweli. Yep. Let us see. Yep. Guys, look at the sunset. So pretty. By the way, that's Ngong Hills. You see those two hills there? There. That's Ngong Hills. When it's clearer, you can be able to see the windmills, especially when the sky is